back to another Let's Play video, and today we are going to show you how to play Minecraft, but on ultra settings. I am joined by Brian. Say hey. Yeah, you think you're funny. But we are going to do the main quest for the Easter egg. And if you guys also notice that the video that is up is the Firebase Z video. It happens to be... I didn't press record on Maschine. I wasn't that bright. So now, I completed all the Easter eggs, all the way from Forsaken, Maschine to Forsaken, even though Outbreak's a thing.
All the round-based Easter eggs there.
All the round-based Easter eggs, and I had to record them again. That's why my weapon is blue. So now what we are going to do, I don't know why I'm talking in monotone, is we're literally having to record Maschine and Mauer. Maschine is actually the easiest out of those two. As always, guys, comment down below if you want Brian and I to play some Minecraft together. Start a survival video. This game's pretty awesome. Oh, well, that's awesome. Alright, you gotta come here, Brian.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Are you hip firing?
Yeah, very fun to hip fire with a nail gun with 15 rounds.
The sarcasm? Do I sense sarcasm?
Yes, you do. Good job, Captain Obvious. That wasn't funny.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't funny at all.
It's nice I happened to buy first tier.
I don't remember asking. I don't remember asking.
Why are you starting? We need to get hip fire kills.
Because we get into it. And then we hip fire. Because it doesn't pull us out until we grab the heart. I absolutely love Treyarch.
They're the best developer out of 3.
You hear that, Treyarch? I'm a fanboy. Treyarch's like, we actually have a fan base.
I think most people can agree that Treyarch makes the best Call of Duties.
Black Ops 3. Black Ops 2.
I don't think Treyarch's had an actual bad game.
Oh, yeah, Treyarch had a bad game. Cold War at launch. Cold War was bad at launch.
Wasn't that bad.
I quite enjoyed Cold War. Like, I loved Cold War. That's like personally me. I quite loved it. Some people didn't. Like, they're like, oh, it took them 6 months to make it. It was pretty fun at launch. Like, I enjoyed it.
Mm.
Oh, wow. We gotta kill zombies while in Dark Ether. Don't put the part yet.
Okay. I need you to shoot the box up top. Through the fuse.
I will. Let me get to it. Oh my god, it's epic!
The zombies spawn in. So annoying.
Man, I remember that this game sucked at launch. And I remember I was so, like... I was like one of those people who hated it all. It's such a terrible game. Brian.
What?
I literally said don't.
Won't do what?
Did you put the part in it?
No, we took too long.
Oh, I've never witnessed that before. Well, it's the first time for everything. Man, I can't miss my tomahawks.
This is fun. Round 9, not having pack punch already.
Hey, man. Sometimes it sucks. Kill enemies and frick. Kill enemy.
Sea anemones.
Huh?
Sea anemones.
Sometimes I feel like this game is against me. Sometimes I feel like it wants me down. You can do whatever you want if you put your mind to it. Hey, at least we didn't. Hey, at least we're not taking a long time like we did the first attempt, where we literally didn't have anything until like round like 13, 14.
Last match?
Yeah.
We didn't even get that far.
Well,
We died like around 10.
Well, what are you talking about? This is first attempt. Alright, so the anomaly is over here, so...
Yeah, just let the Megaton hit the tree.
Yeah, he's gonna spawn up here. I got it. Oh, they're right here. I didn't even see. Throw something at me.
Did the Megaton hit the tree?
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay.
Alright, let me handle Megaton now.
I'm putting the gas can in the spot.
Alright. Such a good job. I will gladly take quick revive.
Here, pick up the key card if you can.
I will. Just give me a second.
Cause I can put it in real quick, since I'm already down here. Same room.
Got one. Stop it! Alright, keycard. This is easy. I'm on an epic. Did you already get it?
Yeah, I got that on gas. Well,
Alright.
put in thing in
Next time we go to Dark Ether, make sure you get stuff. We have everything, yeah.
Okay,
I got it. I'm running up there right now. There you go. I'm vibing up here.
okay.
You're good. You can go do you. I'm alright.
I'm just gonna stay up here. Let me see a little bit. Maybe get something good.
We get all the salvage. Grab that, Max. You. What in the smokes? I got a legendary.
Okay.
I'm booking it out. Alright, so the anomaly is open down here, so all we gotta do is just push to get it done. That's it. Should I wait until I get meal kit? Because I really want to keep these amps.
yeah, I guess you can. Here, let's go do the thing he's doing with the Wonder Weapon, right?
Oh, it's a perk. Yeah.
So let's end this round.
Speaking
then...
of that, I just got mule kick.
Okay.
Wait for me.
This should fill up quick.
2,000 years later.
Right there.
Oh,
there we go. There you go. You can grab it.
Oh, we had a lot of zombies. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Think you can defend for a second?
I'm trying to.
Watch behind you.
Yeah. Here, grab the thing.
I'm trying. They just keep coming. Behind us. They just keep coming, man. Alright, I got it. I got it.
Go in there, corner yourself, grab the thing.
There's
Do
in.
the
There you go. There you go. All you gotta do now
Okay.
is. Alright,
This
hold up. Hold
anomaly
up.
here.
Take the zombie. Take the zombie.
For what?
We gotta upgrade the stuff, so I was shooting down the stuff that we had to upgrade. So I'm
Here, I
over.
want to go with the anomaly. We'll just do this real quick.
Alright, yeah, go into the anomaly. I got you.
Because I'm the only one that can do it, right? Only I can shoot the box, right? Because I'm the one that started it.
Yeah, you're the one who started it.
Okay.
Do that. I'm just putting the upgraded parts into it already.
Okay.
Yeah, right here. There you go.
It's not bad because you just did it recently. Do you have a syntax?
Yeah, I have some text.
Okay.
There you go. I just did what helped. Alrighty. I'm gonna grab the ether tool. Do you want to grab the ether tool and I'll just throw the grenade in there? We'll just swap spots.
Oh, I'm up top at the plane.
Do you have the ether, like a syntax?
No, I don't have the ether tool.
Do you have a...
Actually, I'll go to the tank. No, I don't have a syntax. I can't do that.
Oh, no,
I'll-
keep them split. Keep them split.
Oh no, I'm weak.
We need them alive.
What are you talking about?
The megaton.
Yeah, it's only the red one on me.
Alright, we had one that split, so
Is it still split? Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's-
it is. Nice.
so I'm literally down here hanging out. So it'd be great if you hurry up and bring the part down.
I don't have the stuff. I don't have a syntax or anything.
Why are you going by the... Okay, I'm coming.
I have Hamox for whatever reason. Oh, I found a syntax. I'm going now.
Go ahead.
You can stay down there.
You shoot it?
Not yet. About to.
Because I'm hanging out over here, and I have megaton on mine. Ooh. Alright, by the way, megaton is on us.
I threw the syntax at it. Why didn't it shoot it?
Because you have to click it multiple times. The ether.
I did it with a wrench. I hit it with a wrench.
Did you kill
3
the zombie?
times. No, the syntax.
Oh, no. Come here, look. You're supposed to kill the zombie first, and then throw the syntax.
Oh.
Take care of the megaton. They think they can catch me. Watch behind you, by the way, because there's dogs. Got it. Alright, all we gotta do is put the megaton down here. Alright, here's one. Here's one idiot.
Yeah.
Hey, idiot, come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Come here. There you go, there's one.
There we go.
Two.
Okay. Okay.
Man, that guy literally completely went. Man's like, I don't want to do this no more. Oh, look at them. It's Dr. Vogel.
No, it's Orlov.
Stupid.
That's Orlov? Man, him flipping out already happened. I wasn't even paying attention. Are you shooting at me? Because I could feel you shooting.
No, I'm shooting playgrounds all around here. And this gun is weak.
That's got you. Oh, that was good. Oh no. Oh yeah, maybe we should leave this area. I don't like it here. I got all my perks and everything. We're good.
Okay, I have 4 perks. That's all.
So I think I'm gonna do a ring of fire, like ring of fire, and we're just gonna do the camping and like okay.
Okay, I think we're gonna switch to the Gallo since I just found one with the box.
Yeah, right now I've been using the QBZ, just like because I'm getting challenges done on it.
Yeah.
Can we not?
2,000 years later.
Okay, grab it, grab it, grab it.
Oh yeah, I'm kind of busy right now. Give me.
You're good. You can grab it right now.
You're good. I don't care. You can grab it. Go ahead. Oh yeah, that's
You
good.
see, you're good. Grab it right now.
I grabbed it. It's all right. I don't know what
Okay.
you're talking about. I was just.
I told you.
I told you.
I told you it was safe.
Don't forget to look both ways.
Oh, I have a reward still upstairs. I probably should go get that.
Oh yeah, 100%. While it's blocked off, it makes sense. Brian, why?
Yeah.
What?
No. Why are they going right now? I thought they just don't go yet.
No, what is going on?
Isn't it supposed to be like no zombies right now?
Yeah, it's supposed to be no zombies.
I'm so confused. Like,
Oh, what? Hey man, you're real ugly. I'm just letting you
Why
know.
you bully me?
You're really ugly. Why are they spawning?
this game is wonderful.
I got jammed. Dude!
What is this game? I have nothing. I have no field upgrade. What is this? It started so quickly, and the zombies just like not stopping. I don't get this.
Help me!
I'm trying to help you. This thing sucks.
Dude, you don't even know how many times I stimmed in one corner. What?
Are we gonna make any progress, or is he gonna like die? Like,
He doesn't die. We made progress.
okay.
It's just, they just keep hitting him when they're,
Yeah.
like, trying to do the process.
Okay.
Back down. Man, bro, do your job. Okay, he's almost done. It just makes the process longer. It doesn't kill him.
Yeah.
It's just
Okay.
makes the process longer. And now, if they, like, jump him all the way to, like, the very bottom, like, that's, like, hey, man, like, shut up, dude. Give me a Klaus. What Klaus?
No. Why are rounds going? Why is that? Shouldn't that not be a thing?
I don't know. I guess we found a new glitch.
What a surprise. Cold War glitches? No. You're lying.
Ah, I've never heard of a Cold War.
Call of Duty, in general, glitching? No. You can't be serious.
You're gaslighting. Brian.
I'm helping you, don't worry. You're fine. You're being dramatic.
Yeah, you're right. I'm being dramatic. You're right. You're right. I don't know what came to my senses. God, you gotta love the megaton, bro. Oh my God, their health. I almost said Heath. I'm about to down.
Bro, just put the thing in, fix it. It doesn't matter you're getting hit, and it hurts really bad. Calm down.
Pain is
I don't care.
only in our imagination,
Pain is temporary.
but pride is forever. Yay! Yay!
What?
Okay, game. No! Why'd you guys talk about... Brian, come here.
I'm helping you right now. Don't worry. We are fine.
You know what would be really useful right now?
What?
Give me 1 second, I'll tell you. Oh, sorry, I was about to die. Get back! Get back! Hey, bro, get back! man, I might as well just upgrade my amps right now. Alright, Brian, I don't care. It's every man for himself as soon as this is over. What?
Okay.
Why is there a Panzer?
Hopefully I remember the route. Okay,
Alright, Brian,
so
it's not that hard, buddy. It's literally right here. Oh, wait, we can't go that way. Brian, it's not that hard. Come here, man.
it's this way. This way's the route, I think. Or no, it's this way. No, it's this side, this side, this side. Yeah. Yeah, I remember now. It's this side. After my
I'm strategically remembering. Do they just keep attacking?
Okay, yep, go up here.
No, don't go up there. Don't do that.
No.
Oh, you literally can jump it. You're good. You can mantle.
Yeah, I'm trying to jump. No.
It's okay. It's okay. Because I'm handling. I'm the real
I'm
one.
right behind you.
Alright, come on. We gotta go.
Yes, I know.
Don't go on it. You see that zombie?
The zombie jumped on top of it. What was that? You saw that, right?
Yes, sir. Easter egg complete.
That doesn't normally happen, right? The zombie just jumped on board with us. It's gonna exfil with us.
Hey guys, I told you you're gonna do exfilling. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, no, that's where that one finishing move comes from. Where he like jumps on the enemy when you go behind them.
It's like, what's going on, guys?
Wait, it says game over. Does that normally happen when you complete the Easter egg? Just game over? You survived 29 rounds?
Yeah, man. I survived 29 rounds, did the Easter egg, and it just says game over. Shouldn't it say main quest completed, not game over? You suck. Better luck
Like,
next time.
It's like, you did this 3 times? Why?
I get the game is fun, but why? Think about
The
it.
game's been out for almost 3 years and you just did this 3 times. Why? Why are you still playing this?
Think about it before you do. I know you like the
Start
game.
doing steps to the start doing steps to the Easter egg, and then like Weaver says, like Weaver says to you, "What are you guys doing? Why are you doing
What
this
are
to
you
yourselves?"
guys doing? This is a 4. How old is this game? I don't remember.
Almost 3 years. In November, it'd be 3 years old, which
It's
is
a
crazy to
3-year-old
say.
game, and like you're over here still playing it like it's brand new. That's crazy. What's your favorite part of the trip? I actually got to see the. About. Alrighty, that was fun and all.
Okay.
Do you have anything you want to say before we go to the next map?
Well, it's not to the next map.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. As always, peace.